Want to start a YouTube channel but camera shy? No worries. Today, I'm sharing 50 faceless YouTube channel ideas you can start right away. No fancy equipment, no showing your face. Stick till the end, because the last few are pure gold. Meditation music channel. Upload calming music with relaxing visuals. Podcast clips. Share audio podcasts with animated backgrounds. Gaming channel. Screen record gameplay, no face needed. Motivational quotes. Create quote videos with background music. Cooking tutorials, hands only, show only your hands while preparing dishes. Travel vlogs, POV style, record landscapes and tourist spots. Unboxing channel, hands only, open products without showing your face. Compilation videos, funny moments, cute animals, memes, etc. Product reviews, voiceover, record the product close-up and review it. Tech tutorials, screen recording, teach software, apps, or gadgets. Top 10 lists, voiceover slideshows or stock footage. Storytelling short stories, narrate fictional or real stories. Animation videos, create simple 2D animations. DIY craft channel, hands only, step-by-step tutorials with materials. Nature sounds channel, record rain, forest, ocean sounds. Pet channel, feature your pet doing cute things. Fact channel, share random interesting facts with text and visuals. Music lyric videos, create simple videos displaying lyrics. Educational explainers, animated or whiteboard style educational videos. Audiobook channel, record yourself reading public domain books. Bible verses spiritual content, display verses with soothing music. Fitness tutorials, no face, show exercises, focus on body movements. Speed drawing art time-lapse, film your drawing or painting process. Stock market finance tips, use screen recordings or animated graphs. Language learning, teach phrases, grammar, pronunciation with slides. Home organization tips, hands-only cleaning and organizing videos. Plant care channel, show plant watering, tips, and growth updates. Silent vlogs, aesthetic videos showing daily life silently. Recipe reading, voice only, read recipes over simple cooking footage. Puzzle solving videos, record solving puzzles or brain games. Minecraft builds, show your amazing Minecraft structures. Minimalism and decluttering tips, voiceover simple room shots. Satisfying videos, ASMR style, cutting soap, kinetic sand, etc. Review children's books, flip through pages while narrating. Calisthenics bodyweight workout channel, film just the exercises. Financial advice, whiteboard animation, break down concepts visually. Stock footage compilation, curate stock videos with music. Life hacks channel, demonstrate small tricks and hacks. Virtual tours, record tours of houses, parks, museums. Board game reviews, show gameplay and pieces close up. Custom wallpapers, create and showcase aesthetic wallpapers. Knitting sewing tutorials, only show your hands working. AI tutorials, teach AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, etc. Voice dubbing funny videos, dub animal or baby clips humorously. Relaxing coloring videos, time-lapse of coloring books. Career advice channel, share tips over animated slides. Instrumental covers, record playing an instrument without showing your face. Before-after transformations, room makeovers, cleaning videos. Virtual study channel, study with me, time-lapse of studying silently. Digital product reviews, review online courses, ebooks, templates. And there you have it, 50 powerful YouTube channel ideas without ever needing to show your face. So, which one are you excited to start? Drop your favorite idea in the comments below and hit that subscribe button for more faceless YouTube tips and trick. See you in the next one.